This is my intro. This is my intro.
What is up, my rosebuds? It's Alexa and welcome back to a brand new video. So as you guys can tell by the title, my first BTS video is finally here. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some inspired outfits based on each of the members of BTS, as well as outfits that I feel like their ideal girlfriend would wear. And that part is all fun and games because I have no idea what their ideal girlfriend would be because I don't know them personally, although I would love to know them personally. I'm just saying. Before I keep rambling on about BTS, if you guys have no idea who BTS is, they are the boy band from South Korea that has been crushing the game in 2017. I think the reason why I love them so much is because they sing, they dance, they're able to perform with singing and dancing. They produce their own music, and on top of everything, they have just a great sense of style. And honestly, they just seem so pure and genuine, and they're just a talented group of guys. So before we jump into this video, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to do so down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of you guys asking who my bias is, so if you haven't seen my most recent Instagram post, then and it's his birthday while I'm filming this, so happy birthday, bias, because you deserve it. And you know what? Let's just jump right into this wonderfulness of BTS, right? Yes. Okay, so the first member that we are going to style is Rat Monster. Ratmon is the leader of the group. I feel like his style is very streetwear slash urban meets contemporary and business casual, but you know what? Most of the members kind of have that same style. Like, they like to mix a lot of different styles. So for Ratmon's outfit, I took inspiration from one of his photo shoots where it was a little sporty. As far as his ideal girl, I decided to wear a t-shirt, but wore it oversized so that it could be a t-shirt dress. And to throw in like the business casual, since I didn't get to do it for Ratmon's outfit, I threw on a blazer over top and some thigh-high boots. It's kind of like Ratmon's style, but just like a girl version. And I feel like he'd be one to be into like sexy, hip-hoppy type of girls. Right? This shirt is obviously a fake. Like, it doesn't even look real. The only thing that looks real is just the fact that I just put Gucci on it, but it's all t-shirt print material and I only made it just for this video. I don't plan to wear this out or anything. So next up we have JHope. So JHope is the bubbly and kind of just like really energetic member of the group, and I feel like it definitely is expressed in his fashion sense as well. So to me, I feel like his style is more funky but also a little vintage, unless that's just like my take on it. But at the same time, he also wears laid back and chill outfits. And for JHope's ideal girl, I feel like he would like someone that is kind of similar in personality and style, so I decided to keep it kind of funky, but I feel like he would also like someone that's a little bit more on the classier and sophisticated side. I kind of took a lot of inspiration from his Blood, Sweat, and Tears music video outfit because I love that outfit so much. It's probably one of my favorites, and for the longest time I thought his blazer was cheetah print, but it actually isn't. So you can kind of see the similarities. So I feel like his ideal girl would wear something like this. He was wearing something similar to this, but he was wearing pants, but then he paired like the outfit with like white socks and white sneakers, which is why I decided to throw it on. And I was kind of iffy about it, but you know what? I actually really like this like little combo. So thank you, JHope, for this little sense of inspiration. I'm totally feeling these glasses. I might replace these with prescription lenses instead. What do you guys think? Next up we have Jin, Mr. Worldwide Handsome. He's one of the vocalists and I think he's also the oldest. His style is very simple, laid back, pretty basic actually, which there's nothing wrong with being basic. Like, it's a good thing. And yeah, I feel like he wears a lot of pink, or that might just be me. But no, I do think he wears a lot of pink, and he loves his skinny ripped jeans. And of course, it's not Jin without a dad hat to match his dad jokes. For Jin's ideal girl, I feel like he would like someone that is pretty laid back as well and is super cute, but you can't really like compete style wise with him, so you kind of have to keep it at the same level. So that's why her outfit is kind of just as basic. Okay, so Jimin, he is one of the vocalists. He is so adorable, but his style is a little different than what I would expect it to be. His style I feel is more edgy meets contemporary, but more on the edgy side. So for his outfit, I decided to kind of take inspiration from one of his flannel outfits because I feel like he wears a lot of flannels. It's such a simple outfit, but the way that he styles it, I feel like it just pulls it all together. And as for his ideal girl, I feel like her style would be completely different. I feel like he'd be into those cutesy, innocent girls, so I definitely want to portray that in this outfit. But let's be honest, I kind of just really wanted to recreate his spring day music video outfit. But you know what? I feel like his ideal girl, who would be like super cute, would totally rock this outfit. But I also wanted to recreate this look so badly because I love it so much. After wearing this, I really like this outfit, surprisingly. So thank you, Jimin, because I didn't know I would actually like wearing my flannels like this. These black moto leggings that are probably one of my favorite leggings ever. These are from Alo Yoga. I love them because I don't even wear them for yoga. I just wear them for everyday use. Actually, I DIY'd this jacket last night. Don't get me wrong, I am so proud of this jacket. I'm so happy with it. However, when I put it on, I was like, damn, this straight up looks like a mini Snuggie. Let's be real, it does. And some thigh-high white socks, which I have been digging recently. Kind of feel like I'm gonna go to PE, but it's okay. It's all good. For Jungkook, I feel like his style is very basic and very minimal. You could definitely tell that he is the youngest of the group because he pretty much just wears t-shirts, jeans, and a beanie. That's pretty much it. So he's very simple as far as his fashion sense goes. I decided to do an all black outfit. As far as his ideal girl, I feel like he would like someone pretty similar, someone that's laid back and chill and into streetwear as well. Oh, I do notice that he's very much into Stussy. I feel like they would be a really cute couple because they kind of dress the same. They're both chill and simple and minimal, and yep, there you go. A little cookie couple. To be honest, guys, I feel like I look like a burglar instead of Jungkook, so okay, so second to last, we have Suga. I love Suga so much. I feel like his vibe and his style is just like on point. I just like that he's very mellow and kind of dark and just to himself, and he's just like such a mood, I swear. It's awesome. His fashion sense is probably my second favorite because I feel like it's more relatable to me. His style is very hood meets grunge, I feel, but he can also pull off anything that he throws on. So for his outfit, I recreated one of his looks. I threw on a leather jacket because I feel like he always wears leather jackets, and of course it's not Suga if you don't have a mask because he's always wearing a mask. And then for his ideal girl, I feel like he would want someone that's the same vibe as him, so someone that's pretty mellow, a little grungy. So for her outfit, I'm wearing a black and red striped turtleneck, and then I threw on a pleather buckle overall dress and some mesh socks and pumps to tie in everything together. Honestly, I feel like if I saw these two outfits together, I would think they'd be like the perfect match because it just like vibes so well. I have been debating, but I feel like if I did have a bias wrecker, it would be Suga because he's just super awesome. But I don't think that'll ever happen because I'm pretty loyal to my bias, so. And last but not least, we have V, and I feel like he could pull off any style that's given to him. However, I know his street style is more contemporary. He does wear a lot of Gucci, which is why he's kind of known to be like the Gucci boy. So your girl doesn't have Gucci, but I did do a DIY Gucci inspired jacket, so I kind of based the whole outfit off of that. Of course, I had to incorporate his headband somewhere. Okay, bless the souls who decide to put V in a headband because honestly, that is like the best thing in the world. A look that I saw from V is when he was wearing this long line cheetah coat, and I knew I had something similar, so I wanted to incorporate that somehow into his ideal girl outfit. And I know he wears a lot of headbands and scarf chokers, and he wears a lot of berets, which I love that look as well if he's not wearing a headband. So I had to incorporate that too. I just threw in a lot of things that I felt that V would wear, and it just so happened that everything kind of just tied in together, so. Okay, so for V's ideal girl type, you basically just have to dress like me. Duh. I'm just kidding. Ooh, actually, I really like this outfit.
Jacked up. Jacked up.
So that concludes all the outfits that I have for you guys for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun filming it. It definitely was a challenge for me because their style isn't really something that I'm used to. I had to think outside of the box and wear different outfits and different styles, but after I tried on the outfits, I was like, wait, no, I actually really like this. So I felt that doing this video, it helped to broaden my personal style, and I was able to see new things that I actually like that I didn't think I would ever wear. So I suggest trying these outfits out. You never know what you'll like, and it'll just help build your personal style. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos related to BTS, please give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. This isn't the only BTS video I'm going to be doing. I am also going to be doing a DIY related video from the requests that you guys have sent over. I am planning to also do a dance cover because I'm telling you guys, I'm obsessed. Like, someone needs to send help because it's getting out of control. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone celebrated New Year's Eve safely. Yeah, I can't wait to see what 2018 has in store for us. I'm so excited. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you all my rosebuds, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!